project. So guys, this is my second project which I made in last 3 days, and this project is about like what is the requirement of this project, the real use case. The use case is the like a leader having conversation with 300 cadre on mobile phone. As you know, like cadre, like politicians who are on both level are not well work with Zoom calls, and so basically we make a Zoom call version in audio call. So guy, okay, and I think it will be huge impactful automation in group D or this type of work, or where team member do not use Zoom call and Google Meet or any other conferencing call. So I made a conferencing call using Twilio. Okay, and this is my script, and do you want to see how it runs? So I will run it, and I think it's running on Flask. I will copy this link and paste it here. Okay, so enter your leader number. So I am posting my number here. Okay, and other two number, like someone want to share their own number, they can share, and I will show you the direct demo of that thing. Okay, so if you want to like see my full project, you have to share your number or comment. I will show you the demo in link, and this is the simple code I wrote, and it's really working. Okay, so in upcoming part of this, like I will be showing you the list of the callers, and we will add a mute and mute functionality in that. Okay, so guys, this is my second project. I have completed till here and it works fine. Sorry I said my number, but it's okay. So guys, if you want to see my full project and the demo of this thing, you have to follow, subscribe, and share my video with your friends. Thank you, and also comment your number. We will have a